Keep all hands and feet inside.
I bet if we sped this up, it would look like we were going really fast.
I can't. I'm very hard. Why should you keep all hands and feet inside?
Well, what happened when you reached out and touched that bush?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay.
But if you're going really fast and your hand hit a limb of that tree, it might hurt.
And that in the background is what we should be riding. But instead we are riding Whirly Birds.
That's the Snoopy recipe.
Uh-oh, here comes
the
Dingle.
hill.
Woo, put your hands up. Woo!
Why they get a fight?
I think that's what earned it a 2-star instead of a 1-star. Are you having fun? Yeah. All right, pedal fast and step over the hill.
Good.
What?
Look at
Oh,
those.
the dinosaurs. That's the dinosaurs alive. We'll be
Yes.
going there.
All of the. Oh. Good.
I see.
I see a Triceratops.
Yep.
Triceratops. Cool. I love dinosaurs.
Hey, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're in our time machine.
Yes,
We're
we are.
going back
Okay.
fast as we can to the time of pirates, and then we're gonna get back in our time machine that's invisible, and then we're gonna be going back to the dinosaurs.